Do you want to know where you can find your Facebook username? So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to show you where you can locate the username. Continue watching as I walk you through. To find your Facebook username is very easy. Your Facebook username is a unique name to identify your profile or your page. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how and where you can find your Facebook username on your profile. Your Facebook username automatically has your Facebook profile link or your Facebook page link. Your Facebook username is also the same thing as your Facebook profile link. If you want to send someone your Facebook profile link to help you check your page, which is your unique Facebook profile link, the person can be able to view your page from the beginning to the end. As again, sending the person a video, your Facebook page link or your profile link bears your username. One person can have one username on Facebook, but different persons can have the same name. But what distinguishes you from another Facebook user or another Facebook page owner is your username or your page link. So I feel I should just throw more light on this so you know, right? I'm going to be showing you using a profile on where you can locate or find your username, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Facebook app. You tap to open. Okay, once it opens, you go to your profile picture at the top right. You tap, you go down. You're going to see settings and privacy. You tap on it. You go to settings at the top. You tap on it. So once it opens, you're going to see Meta Account Center, okay? And this is where you want to go. Then you're going to see more in Account Center. You tap on see more in Account Center. So we're in Account Center now. So what you want to do is to tap on profiles. Just tap on this very first one. So all you need to do is to locate your Facebook account here. This is my Facebook account. I tap to open. So once you tap on it, you're going to see your name, your username, your profile picture, and your avatar. So where you want to go is your username. Remember that what we are looking for is a username, okay? Just tap on this place, this arrow that connects with the username. You tap on it. This is my username, and this is where you can find your username, okay? Also note that changing your username will also change your Facebook profile URL at facebook.com/your username. So like I said, your Facebook profile URL or your Facebook profile link must surely have your Facebook username at the end of it. As you guys can see here, facebook.com/your username, which is this, okay? So your page name usually bears your Facebook username at the end of it. So this is where you can locate your username. In case you've been looking for how to find or locate your username, just follow this tutorial and you're going to see where your username is located. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Please, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.